hope you are well and enjoying the videos of the most expensive supercars in the world. Before watching this video, please subscribe my channel HMKsuper.cars and also press the bell icon to receive latest videos notifications. Guys, the Ferrari Ferrarifxxkevo is a track-focused hypercar made by Ferrari, the next evolution in its line after the LaFerrari and Ferrarifxxkevo models. It was made in Morinello, Italy, and it was designed by Marco Finello, Adrian Mendez, and architect Samuel Rodriguez. It was not made for street performance, and it has a mighty V12 engine that generates significant horsepower. The price tag for the Ferrari Ferrarifxxkevo is well over 7 figures, and it generates an impressive amount of downforce. Generally speaking, the Ferrari Ferrarifxxkevo isn't street legal, as it was intended to be a track-focused hypercar. That said, sometimes sellers will convert the Ferrarifxxkevo to become street legal in order for it to be easier to sell. The Ferrari Ferrarifxxkevo was a very exclusive car, as only 40 were ever produced for members of Ferrari's XX client program. Its road-going counterpart is the hybrid LaFerrari, but the Ferrarifxxkevo compares to that as lighter, more powerful, and with a more extreme body. The Ferrari Ferrarifxxkevo has a naturally aspirated 6.3-liter V12 engine that is capable of putting out 848 horsepower on its own. In addition, it has an electrical component that boosts its horsepower by 187, granting it a total of 1,036 horsepower. This makes the Ferrari Ferrarifxxkevo faster than any other vehicle that Ferrari has ever produced. At this point, no resale restrictions exist for the Ferrari Ferrarifxxkevo, so it can easily be either sold to a private collection or used in Ferrari's Porsche Clienti race program. The asking price for the Ferrari Ferrarifxxkevo is around $2.6 million, which many drivers consider high by normal standards, and even higher given that it isn't street legal for roads and can't be raced in any series. Further, Ferrari will only send it when the buyer is ready to drive it, and it remains with Ferrari until that point. Ferrari deploys a whole team of engineers and technicians to track when the buyer claims to be ready. The buyer is also supposed to sign a promise agreement, so the vehicle won't just be sitting around to be flipped as an investment. At this point, a used F1 car would be the only Ferrari more expensive for purchase. There were a lot of impressive specs about the Ferrari Ferrarifxxkevo, including mileage and top speed. As mentioned earlier, the engine is a 6.2-liter V12, and as with most Ferrari vehicles, it makes a distinctive sound. Its downforce is significant, as the Ferrarifxxkevo generates 1,410.96 pounds of downforce once it hits 124 miles per hour. At its maximum speed, it can generate more than 1,829.94 pounds. That said, the Evo model has 23% more downforce than the standard Ferrarifxxkevo model does. The aforementioned engine generates 848 horsepower at 9,200 RPM, as well as 553 pound-feet of torque at 6,500 RPM. An additional electric motor channels 187 horsepower, so the combined result is 1,036 horsepower and 730 lb-ft of torque. The Ferrari Ferrarifxxkevo also features house carbon ceramic Brembo brakes and an F1 dual-clutch 7-speed gearbox for the brakes to are 19-inch. Compared to its LaFerrari base, the FXXKevo features a new aerodynamic package and a revised suspension that oddly does not add extra weight to the vehicle. So viewers, that's all about the fastest supercar made by Ferrari. If you liked the video and information I shared, please subscribe, like, and comment. What is the next supercar for my next video? You'll watch it soon. Till then, take care and goodbye.
Thank you.